Have you ever dreamed of creating a business that makes hundreds of thousands of dollars, but you felt held back because you're not a coder? What if I told you it's possible to build a thriving software as a service, SaaS, business without writing a single line of code? Sounds unbelievable, right? But stick around because I'm going to share how I built an $826,000 SaaS business without touching a keyboard for coding. It all began with a problem I noticed in the market: small businesses struggling to manage customer feedback efficiently. I didn't have a tech background, but I knew there had to be a way to solve this problem without becoming a software developer. That's when I discovered the power of no-code platforms like Bubble, Zapier, and Webflow. These tools became the foundation of my SaaS journey. Glowing star # no-code # SaaS # entrepreneurship. No-code platforms are game changers. They allow you to build websites, automate workflows, and even create full-fledged apps with drag-and-drop interfaces. Using Bubble, I started designing a simple app to collect and analyze customer feedback for businesses. It was intuitive, flexible, and, most importantly, required zero coding skills. Within weeks, I had a working prototype ready to test, but here's the catch: building the product is just one piece of the puzzle. I needed a strategy to attract paying customers. So, I leaned heavily on content marketing and social media ads to spread the word. I created blog posts, YouTube videos, and Instagram reels explaining the benefits of my SaaS. By targeting small business owners and startups, I quickly built an email list of interested users. Bullseye # digital marketing #SA a success #startup. Now, let's talk about pricing. Many SaaS founders struggle to figure out what to charge. I started with a freemium model, offering basic features for free while charging for premium features like advanced analytics and integrations. This approach helped me onboard users quickly while generating revenue from those who needed more functionality. By the end of the first month, I had over 200 users and $5,000 in recurring revenue. Here's where the story gets even more exciting. Scaling a SaaS business without code might sound impossible, but tools like Zapier and Integromat made automation seamless. I connected my app with CRMs, email marketing tools, and payment gateways to handle operations effortlessly. This automation saved time and allowed me to focus on growing the business instead of dealing with technical glitches. Robot #automation #no-code tools #growth hacking. As my SaaS gained traction, I reinvested earnings into improving the product. I hired no-code experts from platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to enhance user experience and add new features. Within a year, my monthly recurring revenue, MRR, had skyrocketed to $68,000, putting me on track to hit $826,000 in annual revenue. All without a single line of code. Building this SaaS wasn't just about creating a product, it was about solving a real problem and delivering value. The journey taught me that you don't need to be a coder to succeed in the tech world, you just need the right tools and a willingness to learn. The no-code revolution is leveling the playing field, making it possible for anyone to launch their dream SaaS business. Now, imagine what you could achieve with these tools. Have an idea for an app or a service? You no longer need years of coding experience to bring it to life. Platforms like Bubble and Zapier are empowering people to turn their ideas into thriving businesses. The only question is, are you ready to start? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Are you considering starting your own SaaS without code? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more inspiring stories and tips on building businesses without limits. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll dive into the secrets of scaling your SaaS to 7 figures. Rocket #no-code journey #SA a success #entrepreneur goals.